Welcome to the October 2025 Hero Studio Cling Stamp of the Month called Starlight. Let's take a look at this month's cling. This month's background stamp features a repeating pattern of twinkling stars. The design is delicate, festive, and endlessly versatile. Perfect for holiday cards, winter birthdays, or any project that needs a little sparkle. Let's make a card using this month's cling stamp. Choose 3 colors of ink to blend together. I'm using peony, cotton candy, and pale tomato. Starting with the peony ink blend just over 1/3 of your card panel on the diagonal. Ink blend cotton candy ink over the next 1/3 of your card panel, again on the diagonal. Lastly, ink blend the final 1/3 using pale tomato. I'm leaving a small area of white. Repeat the process to build up your ink and to further blend your colors. Once you're happy with your blend, make sure to thoroughly dry your cardstock. Place the Starlight cling stamp in the center of your stamping platform. Place your ink blended panel face down onto your stamp and add a few pieces of low-tack tape to the back. Pick up your card panel using your top plate, then thoroughly ink your stamp using embossing and watermarking ink. Apply your top plate and add good solid pressure. Lift your plate and carefully remove your stamped panel. Next, add gold embossing powder to your entire panel. Rotate halfway through and add embossing powder to the second side. Next, using your heat tool, melt your embossing powder. Once you're finished embossing, double check to make sure everything has melted. Stamp several ornaments using intensified black ink. I'm using the October 2025 Stamp and Cut of the Month called Sparkle and Shine. Stamp 3 ornaments total, then die cut your ornaments using the coordinating dies. Add some stamping details to the inside of the 2 circle ornaments. Stamp one in peony, and then stamp the second one in pale tomato to match your ink blending. Stamp your chosen sentiment onto the center of your remaining ornament. I chose Happy Holidays to You. Die cut your embossed piece using the 5th from largest infinity die. Using liquid glue, assemble your ornaments. Add glue to the back of your heat embossed panel and adhere it to the center of an A2 sized card panel. Add foam squares and glue to your ornaments and adhere them to the front of your card panel on the diagonal. Add glue to the back of your completed card panel and adhere it to an A2 sized card base. And you're done! Whether you heat emboss or do tone-on-tone stamping, the Starlight Cling Stamp brings just the right amount of shine and texture to your projects. Thank you for joining. We can't wait to see your creations.